You are going to love 2012 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, speed control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.